wrong, Green? Whoa! Cat and Helena are here for us to fit the brand new gadget. Get ready, Mechanicals. Green?
Hola, Gecko!
Oh, hi, Cat. Haha, time to fit some extra special kit. Go, go, Mechanicals.
May I talk with her, Gecko?
Thanks, Cat.
What is wrong, Corazon? Would you like to help me with something?
All done and ready for a test run. Wait, we can't test it without Green.
Sometimes I don't feel so great too, but sad feelings will pass, like the clouds.
We're ready on the ground, Cat. Go, go, Helena Helicopter.
All yours, Green. I believe in you.
Oh, great job, Cat. That was amazing.
It was all green.
Oh, well done, Green. Oh, look, Mechanicals. It's the truck family. Good morning, everyone. Oh, that's a nice boat you have there, baby truck. Oh, no, a tyre. It's heading right towards baby's boat. Oh! Thanks, Mama. Now we can recycle that old tyre. Wait, look, more rubbish. They must be coming from somewhere upriver. Let's go. Stay here, Yellow. Protect the boat. More rubbish there. Where could it be coming from? Mr. Weasel, what are you doing?
Oh, Gecko, I was trying to get rid of all my rubbish. Oh, the brakes are stuck.
You shouldn't throw rubbish in the river, Mr. Weasel. Oh no! He's heading right towards Baby Truck and her boat.
Oh, help!
You shouldn't throw rubbish in the river, Mr. Weasel. It makes the river dirty. You almost wrecked Baby Truck's toy boat.
A boat? I've not played with a boat since I was a young weasel.
I have an idea. Rubbish can be recycled instead. Make shiny new things from old things. Let me show you.
Hooah! Hoist the anchor! Look out! Here comes the good ship Weasel! This is so much fun!
Oh, the river is clean once more. See you next time. Bye! Come on, Green. Let's load all this rubbish into Tilly. Whoops. Sorry, Yellow. That old sofa needs to go to the rubbish dump. We can't keep it. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck. Oh no! Poor Baby Truck. That was a hard landing. If only there was some way to make it soft. Huh? What's that, Mama? You have an idea? There you go, Baby Truck. You should land softly this time. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Aw, thanks, Mama Recycle. It's always good to make something new out of something old. Thanks, Mummy Truck. Thanks, Mama Recycle. So far, so good. Remember, everyone, it's Valentine's Day, and we're helping Baby Truck make a dinner for her mummies. It's a big secret, so shh. You get it ready. I'll keep the mummies busy. We've got to make sure your hubcaps are clean, Mama.
Huh?
Must have been, the wind? Come on, let's check your bolts are tight enough. Whew. There we go. All done. Ta-da! Happy Valentine's Day, Mummy and Mama. Oh, you're welcome. But it was all Baby Truck's idea. Oh. Well done, Baby Truck. Your mummies are so grateful. What's that yummy smell?
That's right, a free kebab for every customer. This is sure to get me more customers. In you go, Eric. Oh, cook faster.
Is something burning?
Ow! Oh, what's wrong with this stupid thing? Oh! No! My beautiful barbecue!
truck. There's a fire.
We're saved!
Oh! Let's help fight that fire. Go, go, Mechanicals!
Oh, save it! Hurry up! Hurry up! Ew! Oh, I'm soaked.
Oops! Sorry! The hose won't reach. Great idea, Fiona. Let's use the fire extinguisher. Oh, I got you. Thank goodness everyone's safe. Great job, everyone. See you again soon. Bye.
Hello, everyone. We're giving Fiona Fire Truck a service. Oh, it's been a long day. Oh, excuse me.
Now, what's next, Mechanicals? I think this is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mex? All done? Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly. Happy Halloween! It's all right, Mechanicals. It's just me, Gecko. Huh? Wait a minute. What's that funny noise? There it is again. I hope it's not a spooky Halloween ghost. Phew. Whatever it was, I think it's gone. Oh no, Mechanicals. I think the garage might be haunted. Blue. Wait a minute. Blue, move forward. The noise only happens when you move. No need to panic, shake and shriek. It's just Blue's wheel that has a squeak. A squirt of oil will help you most. And we can say, goodbye, ghost. Phew, panic over. Now we can go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye! Blue! Blue, where are you? Hello, everyone. We're working outside today because Fiona's ladder is stuck. She's too tall. Oh. We'd better check your tyres too, Fiona. Oh, Blue. Could someone get the car jack, please? Good job, Red. I'll just get my wrench. Bouncing box! Don't worry, Red. We'll get you down somehow. Green, yellow, fetch a blanket. I have an idea. Red, when I say let go, you let go, okay? Let go! Oh. Blue, it's time to be a hero. Ready, Blue? 3, 2, 1, go! Don't worry, we'll catch you! Phew. You saved the day, Blue. Hooray for our hero. Come on, Super Mechanical. Let's finish Fiona's service. We'll see you again soon. Bye!
Welcome to the big race, where I, Moonbug Weasel, will prove I'm the fastest mechanic in town in my turbo-powered monster truck.
It's okay, Tilly. We don't need a turbo engine to win. You've never let me down.
Right, Gecko. The race starts when the light turns green. Ready? Steady? Go!
Go, Tilly Tow Truck.
I'm looking forward to getting my shiny winner's medal. It'll match my shiny watch.
That's it, Tilly. Nice and steady.
Activate turbo power.
Can't stop! We're racing to the rescue!
Oh, we're sinking. Oh, help!
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. We'll get you out of there fast.
I suppose you did win fair and square, but next time I'll be the winner. Oh.
Race back for more fun at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby! What are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that. But we need to be quiet. this one. No, 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 no! Hit! Oh! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment. Hello everyone, welcome back to Gecko's garage. It's a quiet day today. We're just doing some spring cleaning. Ah! What on earth was that noise? Bobby the bus? You don't look well at all. Come on, let's take a look at you. Oh dear, Bobby's not well at all. Let's see if we can work out what's wrong. Maybe your radiator needs water. Go, go mechanicals! Ow! No. That's not it. Wait a minute. Oh. Aha! Poor Bobby has an oil leak. Oil keeps the engine running smoothly. We can fix that. We found the source of your gripe. There's an oil leak from your pipe. Green will make your hole shut tight by welding with sparks so bright. A plaster will keep your ouchie clean. Hooray! Well done, Blue. Well done, Green. Are you feeling better, Bobby? Another happy customer. That's it from us. See you next time at Gecko's garage. Bye! Hello everyone, it's Green's birthday and we're getting ready for a beach party. Steady! These are helium balloons, so they float up. Everything's ready. We're just waiting for Fiona Fire Truck to bring Green's birthday cake. Careful, Fiona. Don't drive on the wet sand. Quick! The tide's coming in. Oh! We'll get you out somehow, Fiona. Aha! We can lift her out with all of your balloons, Green. I know you love your balloons, but Fiona really needs them. Can we use them, please? It's working! It's working! Uh-oh! It's working too well! She's flying off! That's it! Go, go, mechanicals! Nice work, Mechanicals. And here come the rest of the party guests. Glad you could make it, everyone. Well done for sharing, Green. And happy birthday to you. Hooray! All right, Mechanicals. Max wants to get better at jumping, so we need to upgrade his engine. Blue, could you see who's at the door, please? Who is it, Blue?
I hope you enjoy my little present, Gecko.
Ooh, what's this? A present? I wonder who it's from. Wow! A new car jack. Let's test it out.
Since I put that spring in the jack, I think you'll find it a little bouncy.
Mechanicals! Oh, thanks, Mechanicals. I think that car jack is a bit broken. Wait a minute. Okay, Max, give it a try. I guess there's a use for everything. Good work, everyone.
Yuck!
Where's all this mess come from? Mr. Weasel, are you okay?
I made Vicky the fastest ice cream truck in the world, but she jetted off before I could have an ice cream.
We have to stop Vicky before she causes any more damage. Here she comes. Ready, Blue? Blue, quick, hit the off button! Oh, phew! Well done, Blue.
I still haven't had my ice cream. Oh!
Oh!
I hate rockets.
Come on, Mechanicals. Let's go and check he's okay. See you again soon.